Hi, my name is Elizabeth. Let's try the electromagnetic field experiment from Lesson 12 of the Energy Science Unit from The Good and the Beautiful. For this experiment, we will need 24 inches of copper wire, a 10-inch square piece of cardboard, electrical tape, iron filings, and a D battery. I'll start by pushing my copper wire through the center of my cardboard, and then I will tape each end of the wire to the terminals of my D battery. You'll need someone else to hold the cardboard flat for you while you hold up the battery and wires. Now I will pour some of the iron filings onto the cardboard. Watch while they settle into the rings of the electromagnetic field. You may need to lightly tap the cardboard to get the filings to move into place. Electric current flowing through this wire is producing a magnetic field all around it and attracting the iron filings. If I rotate the cardboard 90 degrees and lightly shake the cardboard, you can see the filings move in reaction to the new magnetic field. This is called electromagnetism.